Give that a new paint job. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace a clutch on your small engine. In this case, it is our racing kart. It has an LO206 engine, but this procedure should work for all small engines, Predators, Honda. Let's dive right in. All right.
What is the first step?
First thing we're going to do is get the engine loosened up. On this kart, we have a bracket that the engine sits on that is able to move back and forth, so you can adjust tension on your chain. So basically for us it's 4 Allen bolts on the bottom here. Could be different on your go-kart, it might be, but the idea is the same. You want to obviously take tension off, get your chain off, however you do that, so you have room to work on the clutch. So we have this bolt down here that keeps the engine from sliding forward and back even when the plate is tightened up. We just have to loosen that up to give the engine room to move back. To a point where the chain will come off. Cool, that's what we want. Alright, now we still don't have a ton of room, so we're going to take the seat off too. We're just going to get it up and then moved kind of over.
Make room, and make room.
Yes.
Hey, that?
Yep. That doesn't actually come off.
You caught something.
Yeah. That wire is connected. It's got our light on it on the bottom of the seat. So,
Was this wired by a professional electrician?
yeah, if it looks like it, yeah. If not, it wasn't me. Now that we got the seat out of the way and the engine pushed back, we're able to get at the clutch so we can take it off. It is a 1/2 inch bolt in the end of the shaft here, and you just have to take it out so your clutch will slip off.
Okay, nice.
Oh, it's coming off nice too. Oh.
Okay. What seems to be the issue here?
We need a little bit of persuasion. This isn't a good idea. You should never try to hammer on anything connected to the crankshaft. She's on there. No. That's not the answer. Oh. Wow, that was really hard the first time. Problem with this clutch is it was probably pretty old. We haven't changed it since we bought the kart, and the people that owned it before raced it on a dirt track. So what we noticed is that when we're riding it, it doesn't engage. This one. Should we do an unboxing? Unboxing.
Yeah, I'm getting hot over here.
Yeah, it got hot in here or something. I don't know. Alright, so this clutch we got on Amazon. We're going to link it in the description. So if you guys need a clutch for your small engine, just know that they don't come in blue raspberry flavor. It's all whatever paint color that is. And this one comes with hardware in a little baggie. Installation is basically the same thing as taking it off, just in reverse order. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get this thing all put back together. When you want to put it on, there is a key in here. Alright, so the key in there fits into the slot on the crankshaft. So you just match that up, super easy. We're going to put the sprocket towards the engine. Sometimes you do it the other way, just in this case. That's how this one was, and it'll line up with the chain. So just match it up, slips right on. So the last thing you have is this bolt, the washer, and then in there is a lock washer. So you just put the lock washer between the bolt head and the washer. That'll go into your crankshaft, and once you have that, then you just tighten it down. Luckily we have an impact. If you don't, tighten it up with a wrench as best you can. Impact is best. Now we're gonna put the chain back on, so we just wrap it around the clutch, around the sprocket. You can twist this stuff, it should go pretty easily. Like that. Everything's all lined back up. When you get the chain on, and when you're tensioning it, we usually like a little bit of slack. There's not really a rule that we go by. I'm sure there is one, but this is about, I don't know, 1/4 inch-ish of play. We've had good results with that, so that's kind of where we set it. It's not really scientific. There's probably a better way of measuring it out, but we just kind of wing things. Other than when we do the clutches. That was very scientific. You have to lick it.
What are you guys doing?
We were just talking about maybe getting you a new chair for Christmas.
I like my chair.
What's part?
My chair is ridiculously comfortable. Maybe it's not, it doesn't feel very comfortable to someone who doesn't own it. So maybe it feels a little bit more skanky. Do you feel skanky when you sit in it?
I feel a little dirty, but...
I never thought about that.
I was just telling Jeremy it looks like something that would happen to a chair after I farted in it.
No, it's like a hairless cat of chairs.
Right.
Ooh. What are you guys doing to this?
New clutch.
New clutch.
Oh. So is it same, is it a 10 or 11 tooth clutch?
It is a 12 tooth, I believe.
What was the other one?
I don't know, it's up there.
Did it seem pretty shot-ish?
Well, I mean, you remember it. I bet
It tastes better.
Well, listen,
Taste better?
I licked this new one. You should watch the clip.
You guys do weird stuff on it on.
Alright guys, we got the cart put back together, new clutch is on, and as you do when you have a new clutch, you go for a drive. And that's what we're going to do. Zach found the torch in the drawer and he's having the best time. He's living his best life, lighting things on fire.
You missed it. I almost lighted the whole shop up.
Yeah, he was playing with brake cleaner and a torch. You can guess what happened. Alright, now we just have to figure out how to get this cart through that door. And then it's fun time.
I got an idea.
Yeah? You gotta be f***ing me.
What happened?
The pole card broke. I don't know if you guys saw the last go-kart video. We were asking, when did you think that pole card was gonna break? Because we bought the cheapest one we could find. It made it like maybe 2 rides. That's how you break in the clutch. Or break it. Alright guys, that wraps up how to install a clutch on your small engine go-kart, whatever, you know, wood chipper, I don't know, whatever you got with small engine on it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any suggestions, any ideas, maybe videos you'd like to see in the future, kind of like this, we're not opposed to doing how-to videos. Usually they're wrapped up in our videos, we just don't name them how-tos. But if you guys like this, let us know and put it in the comments. As always, we appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.